Hi everyone. Today's topic is a little different from what I usually do here. A few weeks ago, US-based company called OpenAI introduced their new AI model called Sora, and it made a huge splash on the internet. So I wanted to make this video because I'm interested in these new AI technologies, and I made a video before using Midjourney. I can leave the link if you haven't seen it. At that time, Harry Potter by Balenciaga videos were very popular, so I made one about the Terminator, and I had a lot of fun making it. Anyway, back to the topic, let's talk about Sora. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and creative scenes from text instructions. It can create videos based on text prompts, extend existing videos forward and backward in time, and create videos from still images. The team developing Sora named it after the Japanese word for sky to signify its limitless creative potential, and it's a pretty spot-on name if you ask me. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motions, and accurate details of the subject and background. The model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world, says on the website. It is able to generate up to 1 minute high-quality videos. The release took the generative AI world by storm with extensive debate in X and all the other media publications, because the videos generated by Sora are incredibly impressive. Let's take a look at some of the examples here. There's this Chinese Lunar New Year celebration video with this giant Chinese dragon, and it looks really complicated, it's really crowded. We have this movie trailer of adventurous 30-year-old spaceman wearing red wool knitted motorcycle helmet. The colors, the style, they're all spot on. It looks really great. You might have seen this one, reflections in the window of a train traveling through the Tokyo suburbs. This is really complicated scene, and I think it made a really great job. One area of innovation in Sora is that it considers several video frames at once, which solves the problem of keeping objects consistent when they move in and out of the frame. For example, in this video, the kangaroo's hand moves out of the frame several times, and when it returns, the hand looks the same as before. So how does Sora work? In a sense, Sora works like any AI renderer that came before, such as Dolly or Midjourney, just with a lot more steps. AI image generators utilize a method known as diffusion models. This starts to get somewhat complicated at some point. I'm not sure I understand that completely, but essentially means that it starts with each frame of the video consisting of static noise and uses machine learning to gradually transform the image into something resembling the description in the prompt. OpenAI trained the model using publicly available videos as well as copyrighted videos licensed just for this purpose, but they did not disclose the number of exact source of the videos. After its release, they acknowledged some of Sora's shortcomings, like simulating complex physics, understanding causality, and distinguishing left from right. We can look at this example of a group of wolf cubs which seems to multiplying and merging again, so it is obvious that this video is AI generated. For example, in this video of an explosion on a basketball hoop, after the hoop explodes, the net appears to be restored and the ball is multiplying and goes through the hoop again. So for now, Sora is only available to testers and selected filmmakers, and it is unclear when it will be available to the general public. But Tim Brooks, co-leader of Sora project, he said that we are announcing this technology to show the world what's on the horizon, and I think it's really exciting. Okay, now we can talk about what does Sora mean for all the creators and all the businesses. I think Sora offers unique opportunities for businesses in different fields, and in the near future there are two key areas that may have significant applications. The first area is in marketing and advertising. Just as ChatGPT has become a marketing and content creation tool, we can expect businesses to use Sora for similar reasons. With the public release of Sora, brands and companies will be able to create highly engaging video content for marketing their campaigns, social media, and advertisements. The second area Sora could impact is training and education. Companies can use Sora to develop training and education videos targeted to specific topics or scenarios. This can boost the learning experience for employees or customers. It could make complex information more engaging and accessible. But there will be challenges as well as opportunities. These may be copywriting issues, ethical concerns, and the consequences of increased digital noise on the web. OpenAI did not disclose where the data used to train came from, but they told the New York Times that they trained the system using videos that were publicly available and licensed from copyright holders. They had already been sued several times for copyright infringement and intellectual property issues, so this may cause a problem in the future. The technology also raises ethical questions, particularly around the creation of deepfake videos or misleading content, as we always see on the web. Last but certainly not least is the question of how Sora will impact the job market for content creators. Although it has a high potential for video production, it is unlikely to put people out of work anytime soon, so you can relax for now. Instead, Sora can serve as a tool that enhances our capabilities as content creators and enables us to produce higher quality content more efficiently. As with any technological advancement, the key will be to find ways to integrate Sora into our own workflow and leverage its strength to complement our own skills and creativity. So, let's see what kind of developments like this we will see in the coming days. I'm quite excited, and I really want to try Sora when it goes public. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and comment. If you have any questions, just ask me. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, take care.